Hello guys, welcome to Visual Food Hub. Let's make the best prawn curry together. Add shallots to the heated oil. I have added here 30 to 40 shallots. Let it fry. Add methi seeds. Roasted mustard seeds. And mix them well with the onion and let it fry. Add some green chilies according to your taste. You can also skip the chilies if you don't want spices. Add some ginger garlic paste. Once the onions are cooked up to 80%, add one big tomato. Don't add more, otherwise it will be like tomato sauce. I'm adding the tomato just to get more gravy and bit of flavor. Cook for 10 minutes. Add chili powder, garam masala, curry powder, vegetable stock, crushed chili and salt. You can reduce the amount of chili if you don't like much spiciness. Now add washed prawns to the pan and mix it well. Also, I am adding curry paste. If you don't have any curry paste, just ignore it. It's totally fine. Add some water and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. Guys, curry is ready. If anyone wants, they can add coconut milk to it, but I want more spiciness, so I am skipping that. Share your thoughts about the curry in the comments. Also, don't forget to follow us.